The name of topic is structure of matter. Today we will discuss the basic history of atom. John Dalton, an English chemist and physicist, is the main credited today with the development of atomic theory. However, a theory of atom was actually formulated 2500 years before Dalton by an Indian sage and philosopher known as Acharya Kannad. He was probably the first to suggest that all matter is composed of very small particles. These particles, like he gave the name Anu to these particles. The smallest particle of water is not an water atom. Why? This is because water is made up of two different kind of atom, oxygen atom and hydrogen atom. These form one molecule of water. There are substances that cannot be decomposed into simpler substance by chemical means and is made up of only one kind of atoms. These substances are known as elements. There are about 117 elements known to us. We use symbols to represent elements. Early scientists and alchemists used picture symbols to represent elements. Dalton improved over these symbols as the number of known elements and compounds increase. This method to become tedious. The present system uses letters of the English alphabet to represent elements. It was first suggested by Berzelius. Latin name of element are used whose symbol are derived from them. The atom of some elements can exist independently. Examples are helium or neon. They are known as monoatomic elements. Their chemical formula is therefore the same as their chemical symbol. However, the atom of many elements cannot exist independently in nature. The molecule of hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and chlorine have two atoms each. They are known as diatomic elements. The number of atoms present in a molecule of an element is known as its atomicity. This table shows the atomicity of some common elements. The valency is the combining capacity of an atom. The number of electrons donated or accepted or shared by an atom of an element so as to have a stable configuration of the nearest noble gas is called the valency. For example, certain element shows more than one valency. Here nitrogen have three valency because it is connected with the three hydrogen.